In the previous class, we have discussed rest of the operators, and today we are going to discuss another set of operators. What is that? Previously in that union or as well as intersect and minus, we have discussed only theory part. Okay, and I have explained in detail about it. Okay, theory part. Let me go to the practical session. Okay. Now let me go to that particular thing, then we'll talk about it. Okay. So you want me to revisit one more time that theory part, or you want me to go with the practical part? Okay, let's go with the practicals. Okay. Sorry guys. Let me go with the very simple thing. Okay. Just give me one second. Okay, let's create a couple of tables. Okay, first we'll go with the positive mode in terms of with the two columns. Okay, with the two columns in two tables. Okay, we'll go with the very simple things. Okay, now let's create. How to create a table? You guys tell me how to create a table. Everyone, how to create a table? Create table name. What is the table name? Let's consider it source. Okay, SRC1. Okay, then we'll keep it a employee number, number 10. Okay, then after that we'll go with the employee name, simple. Okay, I don't want to go with the very huge. Okay, here we keep it a 20. Okay, I'm creating a table. Which table I'm creating? Table source 1 is created. Now let's go here. Okay, let's go here. And what is the command to insert the data? Insert all into multiple records. We are going to insert it. So here we are going to keep it. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. Okay. Just I'm giving SRT. SR Tech. Okay. SR Technologies. Okay. SR Technologies. Now whenever you are keeping multiple records, right? Just we can copy paste like this and select star from dual. Now what we can do here, we can change it out, right? 1 to 4. Okay, here 1 to 5, here 1 to 6. Okay, 1 to 7. Are you getting me? Here try to understand this very important thing. Okay, so here we are going to why I'm keeping single quotes here? Why I'm keeping single quotes? Why I'm keeping single quotes, guys? Because it is a data type of what? Character data type. That is the reason we are keeping that. Okay, we are keeping that. Now try to understand. Now we have kept here. What is that? Okay, one more name. I'm going to keep it. Okay, Ramesh. Just I'm keeping this. Okay, I'm inserting the data. Am I right? So if you are inserting the data, after that, what you have to do? Immediately you have to do commit. Okay, so you are going to save the changes permanently. You are going to save the changes permanently. Am I right? Now we are going to create another table as well. Okay, that is nothing but a TZT1. Okay, TZT1. Okay, with the same structure. We are not going to change anything. Now here, try to understand this. Okay, try to understand this. Same thing. Okay, what we are going to change? We are going to change the table here. Okay, now I'm going to keep it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1 to 4. I'm going to remove from the this. Okay, I'm going to keep 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7. Now another thing is I'm going to create additional records here. Okay, what is that? 1 to 8, 1 to 9, 1 to 8, and 1 to 9. 1 to 9. Here, try to understand this. Okay, try to understand this. Okay, here I'm keeping. Okay, and I'm keeping here. I'm keeping Ashok. Okay, and should I change the table name or not? Here, should I change or not? Whenever you are inserting the data, you need to change. Here, you are inserting into target. Am I right? Here you can see, right? Another table has also created. Now, what is the thing here? Now you have created, you have inserted 5 rows. Now, can we do select star from both source 1 and target 1? SRC1, okay, as well as TGT1. Try to query both at a time, okay? So if you do this, okay, try to understand this, okay? Can you see here? What are the details? 1, 2, 3 to 1 to 7. Now can you see here? 1 to 5 to 1 to 9. Now, what is the functionality of union? What are the rules it has to be satisfied before applying the union or before applying any set operators? What are the set operators we have? First, we'll list it out, okay? What are those? Union, union, and union or then intersect, then minus. Now we'll go with the first union, okay? Before going with the union, okay, let me go with the, what are the rules? Rules for a, what are the rules we have? Rules. What is that? First, data type. Data type should be same, okay? Same. And very, very important thing, first, number of columns should be same. Am I right? And another one is column position also. Column position also should be same. Am I right? These are the things, right? So now, how we can apply this? What is the syntax of union? What is the syntax of union or what is the syntax of intersect? What is the syntax of minus? First, try to go with the one by one. Okay, try to go with the one by one. Okay, let's see that. Okay, how we are going to do that. Okay, see first. Okay, what is the syntax? First, we'll go with the union. Okay, union. What it does, union? It will combine the data from two select statements, two or more select statements. Okay, in a horizontal or a vertical manner. Vertical means you are arranging first and after that you are arranging. What horizontal means side by side. This one, top is one, after that bottom you are arranging something. Now let's go here and we'll arrange the first. We'll arrange the first thing what we are going to do. First, let's take the only ID. Only ID. Clear? So what we are going to do? Select star from. Okay. Select star from SRC1. Okay. Select star from SRC1. Okay. Now, what is the next thing is? Select star from TGT1. Am I right? TGT1. Are you getting me? SRC1 as well as TGT1. Now you have a data 1 to 5 and here 1 to 3 to 1 to 7. Here 1 to 5 to 1 to 9. Now whenever you do union, what are the records will come? Unique values come. Okay, irrespective of matching or not matching doesn't matter. Okay, it will combine the data from two select statements and then it will return the only unique values. And very, very important thing, it will remove the duplicate values. What is the syntax? Syntax for union is simple. Okay, syntax for union is simple. Okay, what is the syntax? Select star, not only star. Okay, try to understand this. Okay, column 1 to column 2. Okay, column n. Okay, from table 1. Okay, table 1 union. Okay, select column 1. Okay, to column 2. Okay, column n. Okay, from table 2. Okay, If you wanted to do union again, okay, same thing. Okay, same thing. You can do n number of tables as well, n number of commands as well. Sir, can I use same table again here? For example, I have a single table. Okay, I wanted to identify unique records out of it. Okay, can I use same thing two times? Yes, we can use. That is called table alias. Table alias. Now, let's not go with that. Okay, let's focus on the actual functionality. Later, we'll discuss. Later, we'll discuss. Are you guys understanding, guys? What is the syntax? Anybody have any doubts? Guys, are you understanding? Everyone? Everyone? Everyone, can you hear me, guys? Are you clear? Are you guys are clear what I'm talking? And I see only 8 people. What about rest of the people? Okay, now let's go with the same tables. Now, what is the change you are going to do? Simply, you are going to add union. Okay. Now, before going to apply union, can we see number of columns are same? Can we see number of columns are same? SRC1 number of columns are same. TGT1 same number of columns. Can we see data type also same? Because we have used both the structure is same. Okay, even data type length as well. So column position also same. So is it matching or not? Now, if you do select star from, what you are going to get? Let's see the output. Okay. Can you see here? What are the things we got? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 9. Which means, okay, can we see 1, 2, 5 is present twice? No, not here, in the actual data. Can we see? Here you can see, right? Here also 1 to 5 is present. Here also 1 to 5 is present, right? 1 to 5 to 1 to 7. Are you getting me? Here, until here. From here to here. Can you see here? Both are present. 3 records are present, duplicate. But did we see that in the output? Did we see that output? No. We are going to see only unique values. Unique values. Are you clear, guys? Are you clear, everyone? About union? Are you clear? Are you clear, guys? Now, okay, now we have discussed about the union. Rules are same. Okay, rules are same even for union all as well. Union all as well. Now, can we perform union all for the same thing? What does union all will do? Everyone, what does union all will do? What does union all will do? Union all, union space all. Remember this, union space all. Okay, it will work like a union only, right? But it won't remove duplicate values. That is the difference. It won't remove duplicate values. Can we execute the same thing? Can we add only one single thing? What is the thing which I need to add? Space all. Okay, can we see the difference now? Can we see here? Which one is coming thrice? 3 records we got twice, right? Can you see here? From here to here? Everyone, can you see, guys? Guys, online guys, can you see that? Guys, can you see that? Can you see that, guys? I don't see much people are responding. What about others? You guys are there? Meghna, Tarun, and Bandana, Lahari, Monica, Santosh. You guys are there in the class or not? I don't see a couple of guys are responding. Okay. Now, are you clear on the union all? Are you clear? Are you clear? Union all is nothing but it is an extension of union. Okay. It will even keep the duplicate records as well. Now I will give you one query, simple query. Will you be able to answer it? Okay. I have a table 1 is having 100 records, table 2 is having 200 records. Now I want output is 300 records. Which one you prefer, union or union all? Suppose if the both are distinct, if the values are distinct, will you go with the union or union all? No, if the values are distinct, both the tables are distinct. Which one you will go? Union all only will go. Okay. See, reason is there is a reason. Union performance wise, okay, performance wise, it's not good as compared to union all. Okay. Union is not good performance wise compared to union all. Okay. So considering that, okay, okay, we go with the union all. If the unique values are there, we'll go with the straight away union all. This is the important question which they have asked in the interview. Okay, if the values are distinct, both the sides, which one you will go, union or union all? We straight away we say that union all. Performance wise, very good. Now, what is the next thing we have? What is the next thing? Intersect. Okay, what does it do? What does it do? Guys, can you hear me? Intersect, it will return the common records. It will return the common records. Okay. Now in intersect, okay, now you tell me which one is going to come? Everyone, which one is going to come in intersect? Which one is going to come, guys? Guys, which one is going to come? Only what are the common records which you see in table 1 and table 2? 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7, right? Table 1 also having 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7. Can you see, guys? Everyone, can you able to see? Now you are able to see, select, okay, select star from, okay, select star from, okay, SRC1, okay, intersect, okay, select star from TGT1, okay, TGT1. Now if you do like this, which one is coming? Common records are coming. Guys, are you hearing me or not? Everyone, can you hear me or not? I don't see any response from you guys. Why are you so? Diwali over, right? All the celebrations are over. You need to be active. Here, SQL celebration is going on. We need to learn. Okay. Everyone clear? Everyone clear? Now intersect also done. What is the next very, very important thing? This is the one which is going to, if you are working with the databases only, this is the one which is going to give you all the important stuff. Very, very important stuff. Which one is that? Minus. So why I'm saying very, very important thing? Reason is, okay, using minus only, you are going to compare the data. A minus B, B minus A. Now, such cases, okay, what you are doing, being a ETL tester, what you are doing, you are testing the ETL process. If you are testing the ETL process, what is important? Very, very important. You have to compare the data. If you wanted to compare the data, what is the important thing? Minus operator. That is the reason I'm saying. Now, what it does, minus? You tell me, okay, if I do here, okay, A minus B, B minus A. Okay, same I'm copying. I don't want to write it up. Okay, now I'm going ahead and I'm keeping it. Okay, which one is going to come output? Now I'm going to show both the tables. 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7. Okay, and here 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7, 1 to 8, 1 to 9. What is the output? A minus B. 1 to 5. Which one is going to come? A minus B. See, I already told you, you are comparing a subset of data minus of second subset. Okay, consider it. This is the full data set. Okay, in that subset is loaded in the target. Okay, what are the remaining records are there in the source? Those records only you need to identify. So considering that, now here y1 to 3 is coming, y1 to 3 and 1 to 4 is coming. Try to understand this very, very carefully. Okay, here 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7. 5 records are there. Okay, what I'm checking, right? Try to understand very, very simple manner. These 5 records, okay, whether it is present in the target 1 or not, I'm checking. This is what I'm doing. Okay, try to understand. These 5 records in target, it is present or not. Okay. In this case, how many records are present? No. In the target, how many records are present? So let's go with the both. Okay. See here 1, 2, 3 to 1 to 7 is the range. Okay. Here 1 to 5 to 1 to 9 is the range. How many records are present in source as well as target? In source, okay, common records I'm talking about. In source, we have a overall 5 records, but common records are 3 records. Okay. In target also 3 records, which means, okay, 3 minus done, which means you are eliminating that in the output. And now what is left over in the table 1? Source 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Which one is going to come in the output? Only 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Never ever say that 1 to 8, 1 to 9, never ever will come. Never ever will come. If you do, okay, if you reverse the query, then you are going to see the 1 to 8, 1 to 9. Are you clear, guys? Are you clear? Everyone, are you clear on this? Are you clear or not? If you are not clear, please let me know. I'll explain it one more time. Okay, now can we do B minus A? Now A minus B we have done. How we are going to do? We are going to write it up simply. Okay, here. Okay, we are going to take it up this position called table position. Okay, now if you do, which one is going to come? 1 to 8, 1 to 9. Are you clear on the set operators? Anybody have any doubts? If you have any doubts, let me know. I'll explain you one more time. One question, very, very important question which they are going to ask. Okay, sir. Okay, sir, I have a table. Okay, table 1 is having one side is character. I'm loading as a number. Are you getting me? Data types are there, right? Remember, data types are there or not? We have a data types, character data types. Okay, character data types, okay, number data types. Okay, now what is the thing? Date data types. Okay, for example, okay, can I have number in the character? We can have it, right? We can load it. Remember this. We can have numbers in the character data type, but you have to enclose in the single quotes. You have to enclose in the single quotes. At the same time, date data types can we have in character? We can load it. We can load it. Are you getting me? Now the question comes like this. Okay. For example, if I have a data. Okay. Source is character data type. Target is number. Target is number. How can I compare the data? How can I compare the data? Very, very important thing, right? How can I compare the data? Can we compare or not? We can compare it. Okay. For example, how we can compare it? We are going to use the conversion functions. Data type conversion functions. Those are called toChar. Okay. toChar. Okay. And toNumber. Okay. Okay. Next thing is toDate. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Are you getting me, everyone? Getting me? So how we are going to do that? While we are going to discuss about the functions, right? I'm going to explain that. I'm going to explain that. And I'm going to show you how we are going to use the transformation. While we are using the transformation, how to compare the, suppose if you have a first name, last name, middle name is there. Okay. Then that particular thing, okay, how are you going to make as a full name? Okay. Are you getting me? For example, we have a table one is there. Within that, first name, last name, middle name is there. You are making as a full name. For example, Ravindra Reddy Kovuri. Okay, with that, what I'm doing, Ravindra plus Reddy plus Kovuri. I'm making full as a full name is Ravindra Reddy Kovuri. Okay, I'm using some functions and I'm doing it. Okay, but now you need to compare it. Source versus target. Then in that case, how are we going to do that? I'm going to explain why we are going to deal with the Informatica. While we are going to deal with the Informatica, how we are going to perform with the functions as well. Clear, guys? Everyone, are you clear? Are you clear? Guys, are you clear, everyone? Let me see. Monica, Uday, Ananta, Sunil. Okay. Okay then. Okay. Okay. We'll go with the other things. Okay. We'll go with the other things. What is the important and other things are there? Okay. What are the set operators are done, right? Set operators are done. Now, what is the next thing we have to do? Okay. What is that? Functions. Functions. Okay. What is this function? Function is means what? There is some program which is going to run behind. Okay, I'm giving a high level, very, very simpler manner. Okay, it is a pre-built, which means some functionality work. If I press now, can I just, I'm giving layman terminology. Okay, let's not go with the pure technical. I'm giving layman. Now, if I'm clicking, what is going to have open? Chart. Is it a function or not? If I click on here button, it is going down or not? Everyone. Okay, if I click on this, okay, going up or not? Is it a function or not? It's nothing but it's a built-in function, right? Built-in function. Same similar fashion in SQL also, we have a functions. What it does, okay? What kind of functions are available? Function is nothing but it is a built-in, okay, built into the Oracle database. Sir, in Oracle only we are going to have a functions. The rest of the databases are not going to have functions. Every database is going to have a functions. Every database is going to have a operators. Every database is going to have a joins. Every database is going to have a views. Okay, it's not only one database. Okay, it is everywhere it is available. But I'll tell you what is the difference. In Oracle, you see one function is working with the other that functionality. Naming, I'm saying, okay, same naming, you can go with the other databases, other functionality. Names will change. In Oracle, you see substring, it is going to split it, part of the string. But at the same time, same this one, they name it as a split. Okay, are you getting me? Now try to understand. First of all, what is functions? What is function. Function is nothing but there is a specific action which is going to perform by this. There is a specific task. Okay, specific task or action which is going to perform by these functions. Okay, what are those? What are those? What kind of functions we have it? What kind of data types we have it? I'm asking you guys, what kind of data types? Number, character, date. Everyone we have, every data type we have to perform those functions. So we have a character functions, numeric functions, and date functions we have. Character functions which is going to work with the character data types. Numeric functions which is going to work with the number data types. Date functions which is going to work with the date data type. Date data types. Aggregate functions. For example, okay, Seksha is asked me, sir, I have a data, employees data I have it. Who's getting maximum salary? I don't know. Who's getting maximum salary? I don't know. Get me the maximum salary, sir. This guy is asked, who's getting highest salary? Now we have an aggregate function. And if Seksha is asked, sir, I wanted to even know who's getting very low salary. I wanted to increase some salary for him. Then what we have to do? We have to use the sum aggregate function. At the same time, okay, I wanted to know, okay, I wanted to know overall salary of the entire organization, total salary. Okay, then what we are going to do? We are going to do the sum. Okay, at the same time, Seksha is asked, sir, on an average, how much we are paying to the employees? Average salary. Then what function we are going to do? Aggregate function only. What is that? Average. And at the same time, and overall, how many employees are working in our department? We don't know. Not only department, entire organization. How can you calculate? Count star. Very simple, right? If I explain you this way, is it simple or not? And conversion function. Just now I have told you, right? Two date, two char, two number. One data type to another data type. If you are moving, that is called conversion function. Analytical functions. I'll talk about it later. If I talk now, you are going to confuse. Okay, I'll talk about it later. Now we'll go with the first. Which one will go? Character data types. Character functions. Character functions. Okay, in character functions, what are those? Okay, remember this. These are all of the functions which is going to work row by row. Okay, it is a single row. It will work. How it work? I'll explain you. Okay, concat means what? Concat. By saying concat means what? You are combining something. Suppose first name is there, last name is there. We wanted to make it as a full name. Using concat, we can do that. For example, section name. Okay, you given section. Okay, but they have instead by default, what is going to happen? S is capital and remaining characters will be lowercase. But they have given in a different way. S is given smaller case, H is given uppercase, A is given lowercase, like that. Okay, incorrectly they have entered the data. Now that case, what you are going to do? You want everything in uppercase. Everything in uppercase. Then what we are going to do? We are going to use the upper function. Upper function. Now we want everything in the lower case. Then what we are going to use? Lower function. Lower function. And initial caps. Okay. Initial caps means every word, first character should be upper and remaining characters will be lower. Okay, lower. Now I have a trim. Trim means what? You are removing something, right? You are removing something. Trim means nothing but you are removing the spaces. Okay, not only spaces, even you can remove remaining things as well. Okay, and L trim means what? Left side you are removing something. Left side you are removing and you are ignoring the right side. Trim means right side as well as left side. Both the sides you are going to remove. R trim. R trim, what it does, right? It will remove the characters, spaces from the right side only, rpad. Suppose, for example, I'll give you, my name is there, okay, Ravindra. I wanted to add couple of spaces at the starting, okay. Then which one I'm going to use? I'm going to use the L pad. Before starting of my name, I wanted to add at least 4-5 spaces. Then I'm going to use the L pad. Okay, not only spaces, even you can add zeros, you can add numbers, you can add anything. Okay, R pad, same thing. Here you are using the left side, here you can add right side. Okay, substring. For example, Ravindra Reddy is there. I want only fetch Ravindra only. Using substring, you can fetch it up. Replace. For example, Seksha is there. Okay, I wanted to replace with the Seksha, yes. Seksha, yes. Which means you are taking entire word and replacing with the additionally s. And translate. Here, Seksha is replacing entire word by word. Okay, but here translate what it does, right? It will change the character to character. I'll show you exact functionality. Are you clear on this as of now? Everyone, are you clear? Just I'm explaining the theory part, guys. I'm not explaining the practical. If I explain practically, you will understand. Are you clear, guys? Are you clear? What about others? 4-5 members are responding. What about others? Now we'll go with the even other functions. Okay, here, okay, first we'll complete this. Okay, we'll complete this, then we'll go with the rest of the things. Okay, try to go with this thing. Okay, try to go with this thing. Select. Okay, select. What you are going to do? Select. Okay, select concat. Okay, now we'll go with the practical things instead of going with this directly. Okay, business requirement, we'll talk about it. Business requirement 1. Okay, what is the business requirement? Business requirement is this. Okay, first we are going to discuss. Okay, the business is asked. Okay, we have first name, okay, and last name. Okay, we have first name and last name. Okay, we wanted to make it as full name. We wanted to make it as full name. Okay, now are you getting me? Now instead, first we'll go with this thing. Another requirement is I have Ravindra is there. Okay, I have Ravindra as well as, and another string is Reddy, not Reddy. Just go with my surname, Kovuri. Okay, now I wanted to make it as Ravindra Kovuri, like this. This is the functionality which I have to do it. How can we do that? Okay, what is the function which we are going to use it? What is the function? First is character function. Okay, character functions. Within that, what is that? Concat. Okay, concat. What is the syntax for that? Okay, how many arguments which is going to take? How many parameters it is going to take? Concat, open bracket. Remember this, very simple things. But it is silly things it's look like, but very cautious. Okay, whenever you are going to do that. Concat, open bracket, then value 1, okay, value 2. This is the one thing. Okay, directly you can give value 1, value 2, or concat column 1, comma column 2. Okay, remember this. It is going to take only 2 parameters. Now, can we execute these 2 things practically? Now, how can we do that? Okay, select concat. Okay, concat Now, first thing is what? Ravindra. Okay, then what is the next thing? Kauri. Okay, from which one? We are going to use the dummy table. We are going to use the dummy table. What is that? Dual. Okay. Can you see here? Can you see here? Can you see here? Yes, we can use. I'll talk about it later. Now, are you clear on this? Are you clear on this? Are you clear on this? Now, we have an employees table, right? We have a employees table. Select star from employees. Okay. Select star from employees. Now, in employees, we have a first name, last name, right? This is the requirement, right, which they have given. Now, we want it to merge together. Okay. How can we merge? Select, concat, first name. Okay. First name, comma, last name. Why don't I use single quotes here? As just now, as means alias column name you are performing. This is the function you are applying, right? This is the expression, right, which you are doing. You are concatenating. Then what is going to happen? You are making as something. Okay, instead of keeping that name as a column name, you are making as some column name. Here, what we are going to do? Full name. Full name from where? Employees. Now question comes, sir, is it going to apply only first few rows, or is it going to apply only 10 rows, or is it going to apply entire table? Remember this, very, very important. It is going to apply for entire table. Now, can you see here? How many rows are there? 108 rows are there. Okay, every row is applied. How it is applied? That is also a question, right? Again, you have a question. Sir, how it is applied? Is it applied jumbling? Stephen Kocher, Nina Dixon? No. Okay, Stephen plus King. Okay, Nina plus Kocher. Lex Dehassen. Alexander Unhold. Okay, Arnold. Okay, Bruce Ernst. Okay, and David Austin. Are you clear? It is going to take within the same row. It never jumbles. Remember that. Okay, why I'm clearing this? I wanted to even let you know this. Okay, everything, minute details also, I wanted to let you know. That is the reason I'm explaining this. Are you clear, guys? Online, guys? Everyone, are you clear? Are you clear, everyone? Guys, I wanted to hear from you. Are you clear? Now, another important thing. Okay. Now, another important thing is, okay. Now you have done concat. Are you clear? Now, sir, you have taken values and values. Okay. You have taken column plus column. Can I take column plus value? That is the question, right? See, try to understand. I'm getting into your shoes and I'm questioning everything myself. Okay. Now here value you have used. Okay. Now here column you have used. Can I use the column plus value? Can I do that? Now simply what you have to do? Whenever values are there, directly you are giving, what you have to use? Single quotes. Within single quotes, you have to enclose it. If you don't use it, okay? If you don't use it, it will consider as a column. Then that automatically what it will throw? It will throw an error. Now here, what is that? SR tech. Okay. How it works, try to understand this. Okay. Now I have applied SR tech. Okay. What it does, let's see here. Can you see here? Everywhere SR tech is applied. Can you see here? Everywhere SR tech is applied. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Everyone, guys, are you understanding? Everyone, are you understanding? Are you understanding or not? Now, another important thing. Okay. Now, see, whenever you are giving static thing, okay, it will apply for every row. It will apply for every row. It will not apply for single row. Clear, guys? If you are clear, I'll go with the other function. Now, business requirement 2. Okay, business requirement is 2. Okay, I see client is saying I see the data in the first name. Okay, first name. Okay, in initial caps. First letter is capital. Okay, first letter is capital. Okay, capital, and last letter is, and remaining characters will be in remaining characters are in lower case. Okay, lower case. Okay, now everything should be in uppercase. Now you tell me, whenever you see bank letters, right? Whenever you see bank, your ATM card receivable, or credit card receivable, or bank statement, have you observed at any point of time they have given initial caps? Never ever. Everything will be in uppercase. This is the functionality. Okay, which one we are going to use? Upper function. Syntax is upper. Okay, value. Okay, value or column. Are you getting me? Value or column. First, I'll take it up simple. Okay, upper. Here I'm giving my name. Okay, here from dual. Just a dummy table. Okay, dummy table. Can we see this? What happened? Can you see here? What, Ravindra, how it look like? It is in first character is in uppercase, remaining character is lowercase. Now, what happened? Every character in that will be in uppercase. Are you clear? Guys? Online guys, are you clear, everyone? Now, one more thing. Okay. Now, can we go to employees table? Select. Okay. Upper. What is the column name? First name. Okay. From employees. Okay. Now, we are going to apply same thing. Okay. Before applying, how it look like? Okay. After applying, how it look like? We'll see. Can we see here? Can you see here before applying this? Okay. After applying uppercase. Can we do same thing with the lower and initial caps? Can we see that? Now, same thing, right? Lower means what? It will convert. Everything will be in lower case. Now I am executing this. Can you see here? Ln is capital, right? But here, everything in lower case. Okay. Why we need to use this? See, some of the scenarios, you have to make it everything. In uppercase. Some of the cases you have to make it everything in lower case. Okay. Then that case, you are going to use these functions. Try to understand. Very important. It's look like silly. Okay. For you, it is a silly, but when it comes to scenario, right? You have to use it. So you should aware of these things. Now, one very important thing. Okay. Some of the cases you are going to use every character is uppercase. Okay. First character of the word uppercase, remaining characters will be in lowercase. Okay, for example, my name. Okay, if I give Ravindra like this, okay, I have entered the data in the data entry. Okay, Ravindra. For example, you fill the form. For example, I can take it up a very simple thing. Gmail ID, right? If you take Gmail ID, okay, first time, okay, when you are filling sign up, okay, I can give like this, right? I can give like this, okay. I can give like this, okay. Okay, even I can give like this. Can I do that or not? Have you tried? We can do that. We can do that. But okay, if I give like this as well, okay. If I give like this, okay. If I give like this, okay. If I give like this, okay. Even if I give, okay, like this, okay. Have you checked it at any point of time? Okay, is it throwing error? It will never throw error. Reason is internally it is not a case sensitive. Internally it is not a case sensitive. They are going to form a single form. They are going to form a single form that can be either uppercase or lowercase. They are maintaining according to them. They can maintain. Okay, so that is the case. That is the reason I'm saying. Okay, that is the reason I'm saying. Okay, these are the functions very important. By looking wise, very silly. Okay, you feel that okay, upper means uppercase, lower means lowercase, and initial caps means it's just a first character should be capital, remaining will be. But if you wanted to maintain the data in a proper format, very important functions. Now, okay, I'll talk about it later. Okay, one very important thing. Now, this is the thing, right? Now, why data is case sensitive or not? Data is case sensitive or not? This data and this data is different or not? Different. Why it is different? I've shown you example. ASCII. Okay, ASCII, remember that. Capital A value is different. Small a value is different. Am I right? Capital A value is different. Small a value is different. That is the reason. Okay? Data is different and case sensitive. You can't think this data and this data is same unless you convert it. Now you know how to query the data, how to filter the data. How to filter the data? Which clause? Select star from which clause? Where? Okay, now first name. Okay, first name. Okay, I'm giving like this. Am I going to get this data, this record? Am I going to get this data? Guys, try to understand. Am I going to get this data? Why I am seeing 0 records? Why I am seeing 0 records? I have used the uppercase, but data is in initial caps. Now, can I convert this in initial caps? Simply, I'm using the function. Okay, init cap. Or not init cap here. I'm using the internally data or whatever it may be. But what I'm doing, I'm converting into uppercase. If I use it like this, can I see here? Can you see here? Ellen, why it is coming like that? Tell me guys, why it is coming like that? Because what it does internally, right? Internally, every value of first name, it will convert to uppercase. It will convert to uppercase. Then after converting to uppercase, then it is going to compare this data. It is going to compare this data. Then what is going to happen? You are going to get the output. You are going to get the output. Without using this function, you are not going to see any record in the output. Any record in the output. Guys, are you clear on this? Are you clear on this? Guys, I'm not hearing except Monica. First few minutes. Are you clear? What about others? Okay, let me repeat it. Okay, see, try to understand very, very simple. Okay, select. Okay, upper means, okay, data is in lowercase. Okay, data is in lowercase from here. There are three functions. Okay, try to understand this. This is the, what is the function? First, let's go with the upper function. See, you know capital case and smaller case. Everyone know it, right? You guys know or not? Capital case and lower case. Online guys, are you here? Are you with me? Are you with me? See, when you have a capital case in the data, okay, when you have a smaller case in the data, okay, those two values are different. Those two values are different. Now you wanted to convert that data one case to another case, one case to another case. Then you are going to use the upper function. From lower values or initial values, you are going to use this upper function. Now, if I can go ahead and do this, okay, what I'm saying, uppercase. Now here same uppercase, here I'm writing low uppercase here. Now I wanted to convert into lower case. Okay, now I wanted to convert into lower case. Can you see here? Is it converted? Now here Ravindra is there. Okay, then after that space Reddy is there. Now initial caps. Okay, initial caps means init cap. That function name is init cap. Init cap means is nothing but a initial capital letters. First character of the word. Okay, first character of the word, not the entire thing. First character of the word, which will convert as a uppercase, and remaining characters will be lowercase. How many words are here? Two. So which one will come as a capital? R. Okay. Can you see here? Can you see here? Everyone, are you clear, guys? Are you clear? Are you clear? Everyone, are you clear, guys? Are you clear, everyone? Are you clear? So uppercase, lowercase, initial caps. Done, right? That's it for the day. Okay. Tomorrow onwards, we are going to continue remaining functions as well as, okay, we are going to cover all the functions. Post that, we'll go with the constraints. Okay. That's it, guys.